Welcome. This video will show you how to configure your integrated Cyber Defense Manager with SAML 2.0 authentication. When you subscribe to a Symantec cloud application, you create a semantic identity-based account. This account is used to initially log into the Symantec Security Cloud page. Applications that you have subscriptions for are visible in the console. You can view your Symantec identity account. Your integrated Cyber Defense Manager provides you the option to configure a third-party identity provider using SAML 2.0. Follow these 4 easy steps to configure your integrated Cyber Defense Manager with a SAML 2.0 based identity provider. Let's see how easy it is to configure your integrated Cyber Defense Manager with your identity provider. When you select SAML 2.0 Identity Provider from the dropdown, you see Identity Provider Information. This information is actionable and can be broken down into 4 sections. In our example, we're using a common identity provider. Copy SAML settings from your ICDm to your identity provider. Assertion and group assertion attributes are copied to your identity provider. Copy identity provider settings and your verification certificate from your identity provider to your integrated Cyber Defense Manager. The last step in this process is to define access to your integrated Cyber Defense Manager. You add groups from your identity provider and assign privileges to these groups. We'll add a group called Domain Viewers. Users in this group will have limited access to the integrated Cyber Defense Manager portal. We'll also add the Domain Admins group. With this last step completed, we save our identity provider settings. A link is generated that can be used to log into your integrated Cyber Defense Manager from your identity provider sign-in page. You can also change the priority order of groups that you've added. If a user is a member of both groups, the privileges associated with the priority group will be assumed. Now let's log into the integrated Cyber Defense Manager portal with a user from the Domain Admins group. This user has full privileges, including the ability to switch to different domains. This user can make changes to the identity provider settings. It's important to note that privileges assigned to the group apply across products in the integrated Cyber Defense Manager portal. Here, the domain admin can access semantic endpoint protection and initiate a quick scan to a device. Let's log back into the console with an account from the Domain Viewers group. Notice that this user does not have the option to select different domains from the domain switcher. This user cannot make any changes to identity provider settings. The user can access different products and view information, but cannot initiate administrative functions. Configuration of identity providers with Symantec's integrated Cyber Defense Manager is easy.